way, don't scroll, okay? So if someone asks you question, tell me about yourself, will you freeze or answer confidently? Huh? So yeah, let's practice, okay? So imagine you are in an interview. The interviewer asks questions, tell me about yourself. Okay? So what will you say? So today we will learn self-introduction. I will ask you a question. Okay? So what is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Now listen to my answer, okay? Hi, my name is Suhani Kumari. I am from Bihar. I am a student and I am learning English every day, trying to improve my communication skills because I want to speak English confidently. That is it. Simple English but powerful English, okay? So tomorrow we will make this interview even more impressive. Remember, confidence first, perfection later. See you on a day 9. This is our day 8 English speaking challenge trying to improve my communication video. Okay, so see you on a day 9.